Good morning, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to use glue in Live2D. It's seriously the most simplistic thing ever. I can't believe I struggled with it for so long. I'm also a very beginner Live2D rigger. Without further ado, we have the Mochi revamped model that I'm currently working on, and I felt like this is the perfect opportunity to record a Live2D mouth gluing tutorial. Woo! Okay, so we are going to single out the top lip, and we're going to record, or we're not record, we're going to work on the mesh for the top lip. It has to be pretty symmetrical, so we're gonna add on the mirror edit and adjust the position. And we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these lines. Now, I see a lot of people who use these two brushes up here to help with their art meshes, but I don't feel confident in my ability to use those just yet. I'm still working on that. It's also really important that you have the top lip and then the lip skin separated from each other so you can have a lot more fluid movement whenever you rig the mouth. And kind of situate these a little bit. For some reason that one didn't do anything, so I'm going to go ahead and connect those. And let's situate. That one didn't connect either. What the heck? Okay. There we go. And auto connect. And then we're going to copy this. Control C, copy. And then go to our lip skin. Edit the art mesh. Get rid of all that. And then we're going to go ahead and paste our art mesh from our top lip. And we're going to use the add paint tool. But first I like to kind of add it to the side. And you can do the mirror edit too on this as well. But let's add it to the side. And start going around the lip. Whoops. Da, 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 da. And keep it going. I will straighten these out very soon. I will also add a like a sped up version of this, probably without any sound, or I'll try to do like a super fast voiceover for anybody that doesn't have the time or doesn't have the patience to sit there and listen to someone yap. The whole point of me making this video was to not yap as much, but apparently here we are. I'm yapping away. Yep. And I like to connect some of these. I don't really care much for these like the lines that don't really kind of make sense. They just kind of look funky. I don't really care much for those. Okay, that should be good. Auto connect. Perfect. And now we have the top lip. Or the top lip skin. We have the top lip skin done. And let us double check that. Or get up. Now, this part is very, very important. You have to select your top lip. And then your top lip skin. Holding controls. Go into the art mesh. And then we're going to use the lasso tool that it comes with, and we're gonna go around here and select it, right? And we're going to bind it. And now you have glue. Now you have to adjust the weight of the glue. And we're gonna add the deform path tools onto the top lip line. 5 dots. And then we can move our mouth around. Kind of. And it doesn't. Ew. But that's how you use glue in Live2D. Thank you so much for watching!